What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Guys, me in at the park again. Some sitting a bite me by my foot because me the kids them say them want to go at the park. But while I was coming to the park, I get a ding for my phone. And when me check the phone, me pull over and check the phone. When me check the phone, it says somebody send me a video. And when I watch when I see the headline of the video, I was a little bit surprised. And I was like, what? So I wait until I reach to the park and the kids gonna run up and down. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Real Talk TV. How no do, no stay. You know, all right out there? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. My viewers and subscribers, I take a time out and I watch the video. And the video was Bull, the glass house manager. Jamaica Glasshouse. Yeah, Bull. Yeah, them Lego the Bull. And Bull is calling out and some name. Him call out some name. J Progress, him call out B1, him call out Dana British, him call out couple name. And him say, refrain from using the Cuckoo bird name. And him say, him a beg you stop use the Cuckoo bird name. And I take it too, because one of my subscribers today sent me a message under my video and say stop using name because he must strike. But me never really know say he must strike people. But when me listen to where Glasshouse General officer, Glasshouse General sure the thing where YouTube normally send you. Mark, you know, normally YouTube would have send you a thing first and say take down the video or take out this part out of the video. But YouTube never do that. YouTube send a direct strike. Boom! One strike. And YouTube also say, in that same thing, it also said, if more strike, you will lose the whole channel. Now, let me say this. And I'm going to ask the Cuckoo bird this. Where the hell do you come from? Where did you come from? Because me know long time say you and Glasshouse come from the same area. I know that long time. But I wonder, did you think before you strike this man? Did you put in consideration that you are in Jamaica and he's not? Did you put in consideration that you have no idea who this man really is? But he have an idea who you is. He know you more than how you know him. Did you put in consideration of striking a person is making a person can lose the food off their table? Did you think about if you strike him, he may lose food for his kids? And maybe he's one of those men who don't play any game when you try to take food off his table. Did you think about that, Mr. Cuckoo Bird? Did you think about that, Mr. Cuckoo Bird, when you're going to Big Bad and Bowl and start to strike people? Let me say this to you. Let me say this to you. One of the reasons why many people don't strike others is because it can be a very dangerous thing to do. That's why people don't strike people. If you're going to strike somebody, you live in the United States or you live in England or Canada, and you strike somebody who live in Jamaica, where you know me now go come find you up a foreign. But so you get up and you never do your homework, you never run a file, you never check out who this man really is, you never check out if he have a grandfather, grandmother, up a Laverne Stavern. But you strike the man channel. That's one strike on the man channel. I mean, I tell you, 3 strike. and the man channel gone. Wish you can make more channel. However, you are a person who is moving up and down, but you going to strike a man channel? Hold on a little bit. Let me say this. You know, see how different Colorsmith is. Look how much people talk about the Colorsmith. Look how much content creator talk bad about Colorsmith. Day in, day come, day go, day gone, day behind, day over, day everywhere. And Colorsmith have never strike one man. Because Colorsmith know how this thing works. That's just to show you, say, you are worthless, boy, you little beggar. Stop beg people money and go. Hey, yo, me say if I'm me and you, remember me, you go hobby man, you go forget read up, you go forget all kind of stuff because hey, me and a scratch me look like me I go win money. Me say me and nobody tell me say I dirty them dirty because me just watch them. I scratch them, me go win money. Me go buy lotto. Yes, me go buy lotto. But remember me tell you this. What you do as a content creator to strike another man channel, that is wrong. Never strike a man channel. When you strike a man channel, remember you're in a bad spot. Because remember, you know what me notice about some of you don't understand on yourself. Because you put yourself in this predicament, you put yourself in this problem, and when a man talk, you believe you supposed to strike him channel. You supposed to try to take food out and kids them out. But let me tell you something, you see. I don't know you have dirty mind. Me I go say something. I mean I go call nobody name, but me go say something. You get 3 money in a 2025. I think 2025, early 2025. 3 people send you money for food. And you use Colorsmith name and get the money. And you buy food with it. And you never, the money where them give you never use it the right way. You never use it the right way to buy the food. You only spend half of the money. And a Colorsmith name you use. And remember me tell you, Colorsmith no know nothing Colorsmith no know about that. 3 of them. Me I tell you because me know. Because me talk to the individual them in a 2025. I could have show you something, but I not show you. You a dirty mind boy long time. You a dirty boy long time. You dirty long time. Let me say this. It's only because me don't want to call people name. And I will never call people name. But you collect money. I mean hear Colors talk about some of them where him say, Colors say, those people who give you the money there, it not come to him, Colorsmith, it come to you. And Colorsmith never know how much money you get. But me know. Me know how much money you get. I mean, know say you never spend off all of it. Now that's your strike that the man, me can't talk. Me not really want to talk because me promise myself say, me not go back down the road there with nobody. So me just go say this little part. You collect 3 money. There are 6 money you collect. 6 money you collect. Colorsmith know about 3 of them. And you no tell Colorsmith about 3 of them. The amount of money where you get to buy the food, to feed the people them, you only buy 1 set of food. 1 set of food with the money where Colors don't know nothing about. And me go say, me can, Ah, ay, 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 ay. Me can't say what me want to say because if me say what me want to say, you may know a exact. You may know. But me never care because you know who you talk to. You know who you talk to. You talk to several people about Color Smith. You talk to several people about Color Smith in a 2025, in a 2024. Guys, let me say this to you all out there. You know why Knife Ninja? I may have to do this, brother. Me have to do this, yo. Because me I do this in, what you call it? Me I do this, in salute to the bull. Yeah, man. You know why Knife Ninja never go down a Color Smith when Color Smith at work? Because him not like them. And him talk that out time own mouth. Him do not like them. He not like none of Color Smith team them when have down there. And that's why him never go down there. Because me talk to somebody and me ask the person why him not go down there. When the nothing go on at Kingston. And the word was him not go down there because him not like them. Because Color Smith should not deal with him, Cuckoo bird, better than how him a deal with them. Because of him know Color Smith first. At the same time, him not even realize that Sax and Color Smith grew up before Color Smith moved to Kingston. Him never even know that because him don't know where Color Smith they come from. He's a worthless, good for nothing, low down piece of nothing, youth. You wanna strike the man channel. You can't strike for me, you know. Yeah, you can't strike for me. Me not have a problem with striking about nobody. Me not have a problem with them strike my channel. Nobody. Because guess what? There was me before YouTube. There was me before YouTube. Me I go follow the things. Me not go call the name, Mr. Cuckoo Bird. No, me not go call the name. Me go listen to where the people them say. Cause me is a man. Me never give one shit sometimes. Because tell you the truth, people don't really watch my video like how them should have watch it so me can get whole heap of money. Anybody can get up and say them and make how much money off of YouTube. Me now 400, 500, 600, 700, 300, 200. That's not money. And them money them make off of YouTube. Because people don't watch my videos like how they watch the other rest of people's videos. So the thing is, me can talk anything me want. And you can strike my channel as much as you want. Cause what? $300 is like me light bill. Cause me see light bill I go sky high, me don't know where light bill I go. But the thing is, when you try to take food out of a man's plate, think before you try to take food out of a man's plate. Because guess what? When you're on YouTube and you make content, no matter where a man say about you, people is going to continue to like you. People is going to continue to watch you. But when you strike a man, YouTube give him one strike, and then YouTube start to watch him. Because once you get a strike, you're in YouTube bad book. Because that simple mean, oh, you're not following protocol when all the man do is use a couple of your videos as content just to show what you do. So you now believe that you're going to strike him, but you never run his file. You should have run his file before you strike him. Because them have a saying if you say dopey no if you frighten. You never hear that saying there. Them have a saying if you say dopey no who if you frighten. You never see the song that say trouble again. Cuckoo bird get nervous. Oh, Glass house making video. Cuckoo bird strike him. Glasshouse say, you never run in file, but yet still you go strike him. Trouble again. Let me tell you something. Did I just say that? Me go say something to you, Cuckoo bird. Yeah, Cuckoo bird, yes, Cuckoo bird. I go say something to you, see? When you go to your bed at night time, you see, what you think about? What do you really think about? Do you really think about how stupid you look? Because again, you claim say you and your little lollipop mouth brother claim say a huno Bill Collar Smith and Valiant. But how on earth you two is going to build two man but don't build on yourself? Have you ever seen anything go like that? I have never seen anything go like that because me not build nobody and left myself to suffer. And then expect them to come mine on like a girl. You know a girl? It's a bitch. You know a girl? It's a bitch. People me not use that word, you know. Me not like use that word, but me just use it a while ago. Because this boy get me man. Yeah man, and let me say something to you. Striking a man channel, you know, it's like you're trying to take his food away from him. And we don't run them that joke. A lot of people don't run that kind of joke, trying to take food out of his kids' mouth. Let me tell you something, you see? And if you not have no sense, let me tell you something. Boycott if you boycott you. Hey, hold on there. Bull, me ready, you know? Me could boycott the boy. Yeah, man. No calling name for true. Nobody no for calling name. Not even a thumbnail. We need to stop put thumbnail out there with him name in it. With him picture in it. Me say we fi boycott. Make we boycott this boy. Come in. All content creator. Calling, all content creator. Make we boycott this brother. Me can't tell the subscriber them if you do. Me can't tell the subscriber them if you do. And the viewers them. Me not gonna tell you no if you do. Because I feel no opinion on that. But when you strike another man, no matter what he must say about you. No matter what he must say about you. Striking a person is not good. Because you are trying to make the man lose in channel. Me know enough of you are going to say, strike him, yes, because he have no right to attack your business and all kind of stuff. Me know people are going to say that because no matter what happens, all when a person take a person 3 points, you have somebody I say, yes, take it, yes. So no matter what you say or what happens, there's somebody always back the negative. So we go have somebody out there I say, yes, strike them. But strike them, yes. But have you ever sit down and think about the consequence that comes behind striking a person's channel? If that person take it serious, and if that person will take it serious, and also, let me say this to you, this same Krasmite, Cuckoo bird, him once time say how Color Smith people and black road pan him, and he could not pass to go about in business. Now him strike the bull. And may I tell you the truth? I hope bull take it personal. And like me I bring violence to nothing. But I don't care how you say it or how you do it. I do not believe that you should try to take food out of nobody's plate. I don't like it. I don't believe you should do it to a man channel because anytime YouTube get a strike from anybody to your channel, you know any mistake you make, YouTube you in a trouble. And that's exactly what you set out to do. That's exactly what you set out to do. Remember me tell you, he's a weak ass. Me not call the word again. You're weak. You can't stand up on your 2 foot. You should have able to stand up on your 2 foot. Hold on, let me check my phone, see if I get no strike. Let me check my email, see if I get no strike. I may get a strike or not, even know. Let me check it. Let me check it right here so and see if I get no strike. May I check it right here? See if I get no strike. So far, no. No. No strike. No strike. No strike. No. So far, guys, no strike. Yeah, no strike on my side. No strike on my side so far. So it's not like me out now clear, but no strike. No, them not strike me yet. But remember, when you go strike people, as Bull say, remember, if Afghanistan, Alabama, where? Nigeria, Philippines, China, which part you live, always remember, did you move from where you live or where you come from? Sometimes we as human beings, we don't think before we get up and do a dirty action because we believe that we are so mighty and powerful. But you have to think before you do your action. Say look before you walk and look before you, yeah man, look before you walk and think before you talk and think before you write. Because writing a letter to YouTube saying that you're striking this man, brother, the only thing me have to say, as Bull say, uno no call him name. Call him Cuckoo Bird, non-progressive element, beggy boy. Yeah man. Say boy you beg too much. Why you beg so much? And then come out say I strike a man. And all you live off of, all you live is live off of people, live out of people pocket. A people pocket you live out of because all you do is beg. I not even know say you have I can't believe say you have wish list on Amazon. You have a wish list on Amazon? When people go on Amazon go buy something and it come to you? Me have a plan for your Amazon wish list for some people down in Jamaica to get some something. But for your wish list, it a go at your yard. A sheet. A sheet? Me no remember what the pan is, so me not go talk. Excuse me with that one. Because me no remember something with the pan is. Me couldn't believe you have a wish list on Amazon. And you come out say you strike. You strike. Guys, that just freestyle me a freestyle. Because me just can't believe say this brother you come out and say I go strike the glass house, the bull. Guys, you know, I don't really want to say what I really want to say. But you Guys, I tell you the truth. I sit down right so and me I make this video, and all me I think about is when a man try to stop your food by making somebody strike your channel, sending you a striking letter, and tell you that the more strike you get, you can lose your channel. Now, let me say this, you see, and I go say this in the best way I can. When you're going to strike somebody's channel, you must think about the reco. Sometimes I don't want to call some word in that, because sometimes I'm in some state of mind where the word can't come out of my mouth because the way I want to talk it. But always think and remember that recoption, you hear me say it? Me not gonna say it because me I laugh, so it not gonna come out like it's supposed to come out. But guys, it is not a safe thing to do when you get up and strike people channel. When you strike a person channel, you have to know where that person is and where you are. You know, guys, me go finish with that video. I say, yeah, me go finish with that video. So, and you know, me not gonna further in it because you know, me don't want to talk or me not to talk. So, guys, until me cool down and calm down, we soon in our next video. I'm out. Bye bye. Chat about.